we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you.
It's about that time again. What is up, guys? If you're watching this, that means you got another day. I am here with Brooke, Hotel, and Aiden from MGP Caliper Covers. If you guys don't know who they are, check these bad boys out. They're the ones that made the custom caliper covers for the DM slider, and they came all the way up from San Diego, right? To do some content creation of the setup. Now, I want to go ahead and tell you guys just right off the bat, the back end boys didn't work out because my stupid custom wheels were a little too close clearance for the back end. So if you guys see me driving around, that's why we don't have them on. However, it's a really sick mod that you can do to your car that doesn't cost too much, and you can customize like literally anything on these. So if you want to put your logo on it, your name, your Instagram handle, your ex-girlfriend, it doesn't matter. You can throw it on a caliper cover and make your car stand out. And then on this side, we did the light blue. You can throw in wheel spacers, which is a part between the wheel and the actual rotor that pushes the wheel out just a little bit, maybe a quarter of an inch, half inch, and that should give you enough room to pop those calipers on. All right, so this is pretty cool. If you're illiterate with working on cars, kind of like I am, there's a QR code there on the back. You can scan that with your phone, throw that away. Automatically play this little 3D rendering that will walk you through the process, and you literally can't screw this up. Also, for those of you that follow the vlog, make sure you get the right size rotors too, or you will die in your car. I want you guys to see what these spacers look like. Slide them on just like that, and then you put the wheel on top. I got my set at CJ Pony Parts, and I'll actually link CJ Pony Parts in the description below. I'll also put a code for these guys as well. So if you want to get a set of these, you can get a discount. All right, so the caliper covers are on. That's all good to go. Sorry for the harsh lighting, guys. We're trying to get to a sunset spot in Beverly Hills so we can shoot some rollers of the car with the calipers on. It's really cool to have a company come all the way up from San Diego just to film their parts on the car, and I really hope to do more of that with more brands because the car's super fun to share, and nobody out there's doing stuff with the Mustang. You can see Brooke there in the back shooting her rollers. Normally that's my job, so it's kind of funny to see someone else doing it. I am parked literally in the middle of the street diagonally while she's shooting photos.
Talk about faith. Is it just something you say, or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her.
Dip that onto a caliper cover, which is basically where they print out the pattern that you want, and then they put it on top of water. And tell me if I'm saying this wrong. They put it on top of water, and then they electric current through the water that charges the picture that's basically floating on top, and then they dip the caliper cover inside, and it bonds to the caliper cover. So you can literally, like, if you want to put your face on it or something crazy, like, you're not limited to just what they can etch in. Basically, it's really awesome. Oh. Hey, what's up?